There are only a few weeks left until Apple unveils its newest iPhones, and rumors are flying dense and fast. According to recent leaks, it appears that Apple's new A17 Bionic processor will be exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, as indicated by tvOS 17 code. The iPhone 15 and 15 Plus are anticipated to utilize the A16 Bionic chip, which currently powers the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is consistent with what Apple did with the iPhone 14 series, where only the Pro models obtain the A16 Bionic chip and the standard models utilize the older A15 Bionic chip. Additionally, another rumor suggests that the A17 Bionic will feature 6 CPU cores and 6 GPU cores, giving it one additional GPU core compared to the A16 Bionic. The clock speed of the A17 Bionic is anticipated to be slightly higher at 3.7 GHz compared to 3.46 GHz, and it will retain the same 6 GB of RAM as the A16 Bionic. The leaker Redditor mentioned seeing devices with 6 GB of RAM and didn't rule out the possibility of 8 GB of RAM. The A17 Bionic is generating significant excitement due to its rumored use of TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process, potentially making it the world's first 3nm smartphone chip. This move to a 3nm process is expected to improve both performance and efficiency. Additionally, the volume buttons are situated differently, dispelling earlier rumors of a single, elongated button. Next month, Apple will release the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro variants, sporting a number of enhancements and novel features when paired with iOS 17. The iPhone 15 Pro editions may ultimately represent Apple's most significant upgrade to date. In addition, Apple is preparing to introduce the Apple Watch Series 9 and the Apple Watch Ultra 2, both of which will feature significant enhancements. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.